Welcome Blue Star School students. Last video we saw two line segments in exercise number 14.2. Now today we are going to see about remaining problems in exercise number 14.2, which is also based on line segment. Exercise number 14.2. Question number 3. Construct line segment AB of length 7.8 centimeter from this cut off line segment AC of length 4.7 centimeter. Measure line segment BC. Construct line segment AB of length 7.8 centimeter. First we have to draw a line segment AB of length is 7.8 centimeter. From this cutoff AC of length 4.7 centimeter. So we have to plot the point C in between of line segment AB. Okay. The length of AC is 4.7 centimeter. Now we have to measure the line segment BC. First we have to draw a rough figure. First we have to draw a line segment AB. AB is 7.8 centimeter. From this line segment we have to cut the point C. Here we plot the point C. The measurement of AC is 4.7 centimeter. Then we have to find the line segment of BC. We have to find this value. Okay, that is X. Okay, next we have to draw a main figure. Rough diagram. Okay, first draw line segment AB equal to 7.8 centimeter. So we have to draw, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, 7.5, this is 7.6, 7.7, 7.8. Okay. It will mark the point. This one is A, this is B. The measurement of AB is 7.8 centimeter. Then what will we do? Then we have to take the measurement of AC. What is the measurement of AC? AC is 4.7 centimeter. So Here place the 0 mark of the ruler at A. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.7, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6. This is 4.7. So here we plot the point. We can mark it as C. So AC is how many centimeter? 4.7 centimeter. Next step, we have to find CB, line segment CB. We have to measure using the scale. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 3.1. So the measurement of line segment BC is 3.1 centimeter. If you have any doubt means we have to check. Okay. That is, this is rough one. Line segment AB equal to, we have to divide AC, line segment AC and AB, CB. So line segment AC plus line segment CB. What is the value of AB? Line segment AB. AB is 7.8 centimeter. The value of AC is 4.7 centimeter. The value of line segment CB is 3.1 centimeter. What is the next step? We have to add these two values. 4.7 plus 1, 3.1 is 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. So the value is 7.8 centimeter. Both are equal. Hence it is verified. Okay. Erase it. Don't write. Next we have to move steps of construction. Steps of construction. Step 1. Step 1 is draw a rough figure. Then write step 2. Step 2 is mark a point. Mark a point. Mark a point A. Next, step 3. Step 3 is mark a point B. Mark a point. Okay. Here also point, not pointer. Mark a point. Okay, point B at the distance 7.8 centimeter from A. Then step 4. Step 4 is again mark a point C at a distance 4.7 centimeter from point A. Then what is the last step? We have to measure the line segment CB. Okay, that is last step. By measuring line segment BC, we find that BC equal to 3.1 centimeter. Okay, that's all. Next we have to move fourth sum. Question number 4. Question number 4. Given line segment AB of length 3.9 centimeter construct line segment PQ such that the length of line segment PQ is twice line segment AB, twice that line segment AB. First we draw a rough diagram. Rough figure. Draw a rough diagram. This is point P. This one is point Q. Okay, the given hint is line segment PX. Line segment PX is equal to the length of the line segment AB. Here AB is line segment 3.9 centimeter. So PX also 3.9 centimeter. Then and QX, line segment QX also has the same length of line segment AB. This is also 3.9 centimeter. So draw a main diagram using ruler. First draw a line. Draw one line. Okay. This is line L. Then mark P. Okay. Then we have to measure Px. Px equal to 3.9 centimeter. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3.5. This is 3.5, 3.6, 7, 8, 9. This is 3.9. We plot the point. Mark it is X. Then we have to measure, same measure in QX. Okay, so here X 1, 2, 3, 3.5. This is 3.9. So mark it is. This is Q. So the value of PX line segment PX is 3.9 centimeter and value of XQ line segment XQ also 3.9 centimeter. Okay, are you clear what I am saying? Then steps of construction. Steps of construction. Step 1. Step 1 is draw a rough diagram. Draw a rough figure. Then step 2. What is this step 2? Draw a line L. Draw a line L. Then step 3. Construct line segment PX such that line segment XQ. Construct line segment PQ such that length of line segment PX equal to length of line segment AB equal to 3.9 centimeter. 3.9 centimeter. Then write step 4. The step 4 is then cut off line segment XQ such that line segment XQ also has the length of line segment AB. Then step 5. Thus the length thus the length of line segment PX and the length of line segment XQ added together make twice the length of line segment AB. That's all. Okay, now today's homework is you have to revise exercise number 4.1 and exercise number 4.2. Okay. Thank you, students.